Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In last class we started probability problems. Just we continue. A group containing Indian Pakistan problem completed, Both will be Y. See, addition theorem, probability of A in B is equal to probability A plus probability B minus probability A is to B. Proof not required, just time we can remember. Then multiplication theorem also there. Probability probability A and B. This is multiplication theorem. This when it's become probability A into B means mutually exclusive. Means exclusively sari show means what you understand, tell me. This showroom is exclusively saris only. Means what is the meaning? What you will get there? Are you there?
So can you repeat your question?
See, there is exclusively sari showroom. Means what is the meaning?
So it means only you get saris over there.
Only saris. Other than you can get that. So mutually exclusive means what? That is one occurrence prevents the others. Suppose if you tossing a coin, getting a head. If you get a head means what is the meaning? It won't get tail. That both are mutually exclusive. So if they are, that is, if the intersection be zero actually. Mutually exclusive means what? A intersection be zero. Independent means what? Probability A to B. That time we can remember. Just we can do some problems. One problem I tell you where you will use this. Now you see, it's very good problem. Mutually exclusive means what? Intersection is zero. Exclusive means A intersection be zero. Independent means probability A intersection be zero, probability A into probability B. Addition theorem, probability A into B is equal to probability A plus probability B minus probability B. Where you will get, I will tell you. from back of a card, single card is drawn. Back of a cards, if single card is drawn, what is the probability that is either spade or king? Either a spade or king. Actually, spade means what as a symbols. How many symbols we have in pack of card?
4.
How many symbols are there?
4.
4. Good. Each symbol, how many cards we have?
13.
13. Plus 4 into 13, 52. So each symbol will have the 13 actually. Correct? So from here, now we can think. How many spades are there? How many kings are there? You can see. Let A be the getting a spade card. Let B be the getting a king. So probability A is what? Probability B is what? Tell me. Getting or not? See, I need one either spade or king. So what is the probability getting a one spade card? What is it?
13 by 52.
13 by, very good. Tell me 13 by?
52.
Yes, 52, correct. Getting one king,
4 by 52.
4 by?
52.
Okay. Then when this is what? I am telling you this situation will come now. Probability A in either a king or spade. Means what? Probability A. Now I will read this to probability A plus probability B minus probability A is B. Now you are starting. Let A be the getting a spade card. Let B be the getting a king. So probability A you know, probability B you know. But who is this fellow? Probability of A addition B is what? Is the chances are there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the chance?
King of spades.
Not hearing loudly, loudly speak. That's my problem, my problem. Sound only.
So that's 1 by 52 chance.
Very good. One symbol spade with one king will be available or not? So that you should be. Previously, we don't get this is the chance like this. This chance we don't get, but here maybe intersection. So this is not exclusive. So both combination will be one is there. So now we can write. In this situation, you will get this. Suppose if I ask only either getting a spade or another symbol means what? There is no intersection. Getting or not? Spade with the number means what? Maybe intersection is there or not? Understanding at what I am telling? Am I confusing a lot?
No, sir, we understood.
Oh, so properly up to now what situation we come across, there is no intersection part. Okay, nicely we have done. Okay, 5 bars, 10 bars like this we done. But this is what exclusively must. It's not mutual exclusive. Something is there. So that also you have to write. Now we can write script. Let getting a king is let A be the getting a spade. So property of A is what you tell you. Because that fellow will be maybe he is also available, they is also available. B is what? King. Already you have studied in set theory, you know, or not? In small stage, 9th standard itself, set theory. This is nothing, only just broadly telling probability. See, this is 13 cards, spades means one, 4 things means one. Both together, one fellow will be like this actually. you see deeply. What you studied in lower classes only just is repeating, but the fashion is what way of expression is differently we are expressing. Using set theory also you are done in 9th standard or not. Now using probability I am telling actually. Now this probability B is what? Getting king, what is the probability?
4 by 52.
Very good. Now spade and king actually means what? With spade symbol king. How many chances are there?
1.
So why I am subtracting, understand or not? In this 13 also maybe that will available. In this 4 also that will available. These two I am adding this one. One is extra and then just I am subtracting. Now find out what is the answer.
So 16 by 52.
13 plus 4, 17 minus 1, 16 by 52. Anything cancel?
4 by 13.
Huh? 4 will go up. Next. A conditional probability. When you write, you can write probability A by B, but when you read, you can write probability A given B. B already happened. To find what is the A, that is the condition. B already happened. Condition is what here? B already happened. To find what? So this option you write probability A intersection B by. Who is down actually? A by B. Who is there in down? A by B means who is down? Who is there in down?
B.
B.
B. So down who is there, that only will come probability B. Suppose if I want probability B by A means what? To find probability B, A already happened. A already happened. So this option is right. Who is there down probability A? this is they will call actually multiplication theorem. Probability A intersection B is equal to probability A into, if you want to write B by A, or B into A by B. Slow down. Here you can write probability B not equal to B, probability A not equal to B. This conditional probability if you want to find out. Take one problem. A bag contains three red and four white balls. Two doors are made. Without replacement, just to note down, underline without replacement, very, very important. Without replacement, just underline. What is the probability? That both balls are red. Here condition is what? First I am taking one red ball, second also red ball. So there is a condition in position and without replacement. With replacement, without replacement also condition will come, it doesn't matter. Without replacement probability will change. With replacement means what, that is different. In the same problem we can discuss all cases easily. One, this problem you can just note down. We can discuss remaining cases also. Suppose if I selected randomly two balls means what you will do? 7C2 then 3C2 by 7C2. That is different. But here condition is imposing. This is different and without replacement. So taking one ball first, I am keeping one side. Again, I am taking second ball. So the whole story will change. Correct or not? Now tell me. Let A be the getting a first ball is red. Let A be the capital A. Property is always in the capital letters. Let A be the getting first ball is red. Now property A is what, tell me? One ball I am taking, that should be red ball. That is I am choosing as a A. Then tell me.
3/7.
Are you there?
Yes, sir. It's 3/7.
Very good. Then remaining is only one by only talking. What about others? So first ball getting red is 3/7. That is probability A is what? Now, second ball also red, but condition is what? First also red, then second also red. For getting second ball is red, after getting the first ball is choosing the first ball as a red. This is the condition is what? First is red, already happened. So, to second ball also red I want to get. This, what is happened already? First ball, red ball already happened. Correct or not? So, this how you will write second ball also red to get red ball. First ball already happened, I know. So how can you write actually this probability? Tell me. Already first ball I chosen. So I'm keeping my hand on bag. I'm taking another ball. That ball, second ball also I want to get red. Then what are the chances? Tell me.
2/6.
Huh?
2/6.
Why?
So because it's without replacement, so the one ball is already out of the bag.
Very
There are
good.
6 left.
One ball already I taken. So out of 7, one ball is gone. Then out of 3 red balls, already one red ball is taken. Reaching or not? So this how you will write. Second ball also red means what? That's understanding. First also red means what? Probability B by A. Already A happened. Already A happened because this is without replacement. That's very, very important. Suppose if with replacement, what you will get again? Again into 3/7 only you will get. So condition what is there? So second ball also red. Probability B by A is what is, tell me now? Probability is what?
2/6.
3/6.
2/6. So
Now my problem is
2/6.
completed. No. Getting both are red is what? Probability
So
So
A
it's
into
2.
the CD is equal to probability A into probability B by A. So this is equal to what?
So
Sorry, this is 2/6. Correct? Now come. Now you can tell. Now both are red case over. Now I am asking. First is red. Second ball is white, then what are the chances? Right. Let A be the selecting the first ball is red. So what is the probability? Story you can write. That is important. Then only you'll understand when you're revising. Speak out, yeah. First red, second white without replacement. Same condition without replacement. First red, second white. So what will you get? Are you there or not? First red, second is white without replacement. Two draws. What is the condition? Tell me. Let A be the drawing. The first ball is red. What is the probability?
3/7.
3/7. Hey, very bad here. Nobody is talking. Now, probability after selecting the first ball as a red, to select second ball as a white. So probability B by A. Probability B given A already happened. A already happened. To find B, so I want to do. So selecting a second ball as a white after selecting a red ball as a first ball. Correct or not? So probability B. This is all story how to write. I am not writing because I am skipping. Now probability B by A is what? Second ball is a white. This is second actually, not first. This is first. Second ball is a white ball after selecting as a first ball as a red. So what is the probability? Tell me without replacement. Then what will get?
4/6.
Very good. Actually, anyone you should ask me. Selecting two red balls normally if you do miss what you will get? 3C2, 7C2, same answer. Without replacement because both of it I got here. I am expecting anyone ask like this. Nobody thinking. Just sitting and going. But let's see. This situation will clearly understand. Without replacement strong, how much strong it is, what is the condition? Because both are red is nothing happened, too much difference we don't find out. But now we can speak loud here. Correct? That's the same story. Now, what will we get? First red, second white is what property A can be? Four by 6. 2 times 2 by 7. Now, at least you tell now I don't want first white ball, second red ball. Tell me with the notations I need. Tell me what will do. First white ball, second red ball without replacement. Tell me, nobody opening, please. Any one of you give answer? Speak out, yeah. I am only speaking.
4 by 7.
Wait. Tell me, first white is what?
4 by 7.
Very good. 4 by 7. Then, after selecting first as a white, to select second ball as a red, what is the probability? Then you should write notations, probability B by A like this.
B by A is 3 by 6.
Very good. 2 by 7. Yes. 2 by 7. Check.
So red is 3
B
balls.
by A. Second is red.
3 by 6.
3 by 6.
6.
Red ball, it won't happen. But total one ball will be missing, because without replacing. So this is what you get. Then multiplication may be same, but the way of expression probably is different, Then right. First ball is white, second ball is right. Probability A should be equal to 4 by 7 into 3 by 6. Total output may be same thing, I don't want actually, but the way of expression, how we are attacking, how we are starting, how we are expressing this probability, this probability, this. That is important. Now got it, clear idea, that is about the conditional probability. Take another problem. A bag contains 5 white balls. A bag contains 5 white balls, 3 red balls. Two balls are drawn at random, one after other, without replacement. A bag contains 5 white balls and 3 black balls. Two balls are drawn at random, one after the other, without replacement. This without replacement is very strong here. Find the probability that both balls drawn are black.
So can you repeat the last
Even
part?
wait. 5 white, 3 black balls. Now tell me, for getting first ball black is what? Let A be the drawing a first ball is black. What is the probability?
Three by eight.
So 5 by 8.
Hmm? What is asking? 5 by 8.
So 3 by 8. 3 by 8.
You written everything. Let A be the getting the drawing the first ball as a black. So probability of A, P of A is equal to 3 by 8. Now next what you will do? Second ball also draw. After drawing as a first ball as a black. So what you will do? Probability B by A. A already happened. To find probability B, A already happened. That is the meaning. Probability B given A. If you want read mathematically how you will read, don't read B by A. Probability B given A. When you will write, if you want, you can write probability B by A. But how you will read probability of B given A? A already happened. To find B, I am doing. Now tell me, what is probability B by A? B by A means what? A already happened. To find B, I want. So what you will do?
2 by 7.
Very good. Now, first also black and the second also black. So probability of A intersection B, that is equal to probability A into probability B by A. So this fellow is equal to what? Suppose both are black and given, you know. First white, second black. So what is the probability? Without replacement, one after the one. Tell me. Are you there or not?
So 5 by 8.
What am I?
First, if we draw white, it will be 5 by 8.
Next.
B given A will be 3 by 7.
Ah,
B given A will be 3 by 7.
3 by 7. Good. So what you write? 5 by 8. You can write the notation. Just I'm skipping. 3 by 7. Okay. Yeah? Now, first white, second also white. How you will do?
Five by 8 and 4 by 7.
Very good. Yeah, remaining people okay or not? She is only answering. First red, second red without replacement. Then what?
So there's no red in the question.
What?
There's no red in the question. It's white and black. sir.
No, no. Oh, that is. Oh, no, Rita, very good. Thank you. Now I want to ask the lecture. This is already completed. Oh, then over. Then maybe you can try it. First black, second white. These chance are there, you know. First black, second white.
So 3 by 8 and 5 by 7.
3 by 8. This is probability A. This is probability B by A. 5 by 7. All chances will come in, no? Suppose with the replacement, the same thing, 5 by 7, 5 by 8, 5 by 7. Okay. I hope you will understand everything now. Up to here, okay? We need to, what is time? 2:09 now. Okay. Then leave. We meet tomorrow. We have class, huh? Why your exam is 24th? Why so late actually? Twenty-fourth is first exam, huh?
Yes, sir.
The online exam or offline? Or people are coming here?
So online
Online
only.
Only online will confirm.
Hmm.
Practical only offline. Theory classes only online. Correct? Huh?
Sir, everything online.
Oh, everything online now. Okay. Then, right. Okay, we'll meet in next class. Okay, bye. Then because you can send it, the host you can send me because